Hello students, in this video we will discuss about Pythagoras theorem which is given by the mathematician Pythagoras. According to Pythagoras theorem, in any right angle triangle, square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of squares of remaining two sides. That means this concept applicable in only right angle triangle. What is the mathematical concept? In any right angled triangle, square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of squares of its remaining two sides. Or in other words, we can say that in any right angle triangle, squares of hypotenuse is equal to the square of perpendicular and sum of square of perpendicular and its base. Now in this question, in this theorem, given a right angle triangle ABC, in which angle B is 90 degree, means given that triangle ABC is a right angled triangle. To prove AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Now doing construction, draw a line from B perpendicular to AC, that is BD perpendicular AC. Draw a line BD perpendicular to AC. Now we will start to doing proof. As you see here, if we draw BD perpendicular on AC, then in this triangle there are three triangles which are all right angle triangles. First is triangle ABC, second is triangle ADB, and third is triangle CDB. Now we take in triangle ABC and triangle ABC and triangle ADB. Angle A equal to angle A, common. We are doing two similar of both triangles, common. And angle B means angle ABC equal to angle ADB, each 90 degree. Therefore, by A similarity, triangle ABC similar triangle ADB. Therefore, corresponding side will be in the ratio. So we can write AC is the hypotenuse of larger triangle upon AB this is the hypotenuse of smaller triangle is equal to base of larger triangle means AB upon base of smaller triangle is AD. Now doing the cross multiplication, AB square equal to AC into AD. This is the equation first. Similarly, in triangle or triangle CBA is similar to triangle CDB. Triangle CDB. Therefore, CA upon CB equal to CB upon CD. Doing cross multiply, BC square equal to CA into CD. Equation 2. Now adding 1 and 2. 1 plus 2. Adding equation 1 and equation 2. That means left to the left and right to the right. Therefore, this will be AB square plus BC square equal to AC into AD, AC into AD plus CA into CD. Taking AC as a common, you can see here AC in both terms is common. So, taking AC as a common, therefore this will be AD plus CD. Now you can see in this triangle AD plus CD equal to AC. Then we can write AC into AC equal to AC square. This will be equal to AB square plus BC square. Hence we prove that in this triangle square of hypotenuse AC square equal to square of base AB square plus square of perpendicular BC square. That means AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Now in the next video we will discuss about converse of Pythagoras theorem.